one, what I did is I just broke apart the tofu with my hands, put in half a can of the beans, and I'm just adding in the mushrooms, zucchini, and some curry powder. Just a bit, because we're going to put the rest on the tofu and scramble that. I'm just going to do the tofu, so I'm going to fry the spices in some water first. You can use oil if you want, but I prefer eating oil free when I can. Add some turmeric, turmeric, the paprika powder. I never know exactly how much I put in, I just estimate. Get out, bitch. Just put in some onion powder too. I just took the lid off, gave up. Garlic powder. And also, if you want to make it taste more eggy, buy some black salt and sprinkle some of that in, because that gives like the eggy fart taste if you're into that. So I'm just going to simmer these spices a bit, cook them so they release their flavours. Added the tofu, now I'm just going to simmer that a bit. The beans are ready. Another optional step is to add some nutritional yeast. It just makes it more cheesier if you want like, I don't know, creamy, cheesy scrambled eggs or something. Alright, so what I do is I just give it a taste test and just add in garlic powder, onion powder, whatever I want, if it needs it. That way you can add more, but you can't take out anything if you fuck up. Also sprinkle some salt, flavour to how you want it.